Hello everybody and welcome to the Tellow family kitchen, where we're continuing our theme of Italian cooking to go along with the Winter Olympics. We've got an easy dessert planned today to go along with the spaghetti and risotto we've already done. More on that in a moment, but first, what a tremendous games it was for Team USA. 12 gold medals is the most we've ever won in a Winter Olympics, thanks to dramatic wins from the men's and women's hockey teams. Plus legendary performances from figure skater Alyssa Liu, who's probably still smiling, and a redemptive run from skier Michaela Shiffrin, while Jordan Stoltz and Elena Myers-Taylor had captivating wins on the ice. Those were fun to watch. They're set up nicely for the French Alps in 2030, where Ilya Malinin will look to bounce back strongly. So back to today's dessert, we'll be making Affogato. It's an Italian dessert combining a scoop of vanilla ice cream submerged in a shot of hot espresso. The name means drowned and was popularized following the modernization of the ice cream industry. So just three simple ingredients. Here's our vanilla ice cream, then the coffee beans for the espresso, and then later we'll add sweetened condensed milk on top. So I've already added the water, then we put the coffee beans in. If you don't have an espresso machine like this, you can just buy espresso and then heat it up. Dad has this one, and nice, made in Italy. And then we'll get it over here on the heat, and then turn that on and let it heat. So now that the espresso is ready, I'll get 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream here, just like that. And here's the espresso right on top. Oh, that's lovely. There we go. And the last thing, you can add whatever else you want. Here's our sweetened condensed milk. And I'm going to add about 2 spoons right on top there. You can also add chocolate, whatever else you want to add on top as well. There we go. 1 Affogato. And then we'll give it a try. Oh, that is fantastic. You know, I've never had that before, but what a perfect combination. Ice cream and espresso, just an ideal Italian dessert. And you know, now that the Winter Olympics are over with, the United States is up next with Los Angeles in the summer of 2028. Following the Paris Olympics, we made a video that previews many of the venues that will host those games. Check it out if you're interested in that. Really appreciate you guys watching. Thanks so much to Mom for her help running the camera. Hope you get a chance to try this Affogato, and we'll see you next time from the Tellow Family Kitchen. Ciao.